Hi guys, today we are going to be replacing the propeller for the DJI Neo. After a little crash, as you can see, the propeller did crack and break off, so let's dive in and get started. So first we need to take the propeller guards off, but before we do that, I want to show you what is inside this box that comes with just the Neo. It comes with one extra spare propeller, and it also comes with another extra propeller, and then a charging wire, also the screwdriver, which I'm going to be using to screw on the propellers. So first we need to take the guard off. So here we go. There are little notches here that keep it on, so it's tightly secured. So let's take it off. That's one. That's two. And the middle one is not quite easy, so you'll have to jam your finger in there. Then we take that off, and last one, take that off. So as you see, there's the broken propeller. So it says on the package of the propeller that it shows that this and that, those two blades are the ones that are for packet A, and we're going to be changing this one, so we're going to be using packet A, and packet B is the opposite for this one and this one. So let's do that now. You have to hold the propeller down when you unscrew the two screws. So make sure not to lose these screws, and just in case, the pack comes with two new screws. So let's open packet A. Now I want to carefully slide these screws in and then screw it in. Okay. Now I'm going to screw it in. I'm gonna put this away, into the box, and hopefully it works just in case. So put the propeller guards back on. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Please subscribe. Now that I've replaced the propeller, I'm now going to do a quick test flight to see if it's working as it's supposed to. So let's take off. So I think it's working now because it flies properly, and it didn't make any noise. It didn't crash. It just smoothly went up and down. So yeah.